Hi there, my lovelies. This is Jana here. Welcome to my channel. So today we're going back to basics. We're going to use ingredients that are very well known to us as vegans, and I promise you, with my tips and with this method, you're going to think and you're going to fool many people into thinking that they're eating actual meat. But we're not going to eat meat because we don't have to, right? We can easily mimic it and make it way healthier and way tastier. And hello, guilt-free. So we're gonna start by using our good old soy curls, or TVP or TSP. It depends on where you live, they have different names, but it's basically tiny, small soya chunks, to which we are not going to rehydrate, okay? Bear with me, follow my method. It's gonna work and you're gonna be wowed. I have used this method before here on the channel. Click there, and everybody, the feedback was amazing, because every single person who's made it, they were like, wow, why didn't I know about that before? And that's why many people give up on cooking with soy and soy curls and TVP, because it always has this lingering soy taste. But with this method, we're gonna cut it down. So we're going to start by using a sieve. We're going to sieve the TVP, because this dust here is what makes the food taste like soy. We don't want that. Now you discard this dust. Next step, we're going to make a very flavorsome and very umami broth. So we're going to start with the soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce. Make sure it's vegan, or I have a good recipe for a Worcestershire sauce right there. But if you don't want to make it, I don't know why wouldn't you, because hello, it's made by you. You can buy it, but make sure it's vegan. Lemon juice, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, smoke powder, and MSG. Oh my God, you're adding MSG. If you don't want to use MSG, by all means, you just skip this part. You can add a little bit of mushroom powder instead. I like to use MSG once in a while. I have zero problem with that, but if you don't like it, don't yell at me, just don't use it. Some tomato puree and water or vegetable broth. Next step, in a pot, you add some olive oil, some grated onion, and you saute until golden. Then you add the TVP dried. Stir it for 1 or 2 minutes in medium-low heat, because they easily burn. And now we're going to add the broth little by little, okay? Don't add it all at once. We wanna add it little by little. Add some parsley, a little bit more lemon juice. Now we're going to add the TVP into a bowl. Adjust the salt if necessary. And now we're going to add Vital Wheat gluten flour, okay? Not too much, just a little bit, so it binds everything together. And then we're gonna let it sit for 10 to 15 minutes, because the gluten, it needs some time to settle down. Just leave it alone for 10 to 15 minutes. It doesn't need to go in the fridge. All right, now we're going to process it. So you put it in a food processor and process it for, I don't know, 1-2 minutes. Just gonna shape them into the whatever size of meatless meatballs of your choice, and then you have a tough decision to make them. You can either air fry them, or you can fry them, shallow fry them in a pan in your stove, or you can bake them. I prefer to bake them, because why not, right? So if you bake it, that will be around 25-30 minutes at 185 degrees Celsius, and that will be 390 degrees Fahrenheit. And while our meatballs are in the oven, we're going to prepare the marinara sauce, which is, come on, super easy as well. You just get a pot, add some very good quality extra virgin olive oil to it, a whole garlic, and some basil sprigs. You fry them a little bit, and then you add either tomato passata or a very good quality canned Italian tomatoes. Adjust the salt and pepper. Let it reduce by half. As you can see, I am left with only one because while I was preparing to film again, I have had quite a few because Jesus take the wheel. This is out of this world meaty. It is, I have had a few before, like I said, so the tastes are still playing in my mouth. It's a beautiful recipe. I really wish you can give it a shot. With only 2 cups of TVP, dry TVP, you can make between 25 to 32 meatless meatballs, and then you can freeze them for later use. The first time I made it this way, with the processor and stuff, that I have perfected it, I tasted it and I went like, shut the front door. No, this is phenomenal, and I can't find words enough to describe it because I love it, and I hope you love it too. And if you make it, don't forget to tag me on Instagram and Facebook. I will, as always, leave the links down below, as well as the recipe, the written recipe, and all the considerations and the substitutions. So have fun, make it, and if you do, tag me, like I said. And I see you next time. Have a fabulous week. Bye-bye. Hi. Oops. Hello. Are you chilling out here? Yes. You're purring really loud. You like to watch mommy making videos? You do. Who is the prettiest boy? Aren't you the prettiest boy? Hmm?